Hello folks and welcome back to Dubious Engineering. Look at this, wireless 5.8 gigahertz headphones. Let's get straight in the box, see what they're all about. They're nicely packaged. You get a stand in the box. You get your USB adapter, some cables, a standard audio jack type cable and a USB type cable. And then you have a nice bag here. And inside the bag, bum, 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 the headphones themselves are quite nicely made. They're pretty sturdy, clearly a plastic and rubberized foam. The padding is very light and gentle around the ears. It feels quite comfortable. It can get a little bit hot and sticky in there if it's hot and sticky in your room. The controls on the headset are dead easy. We've got a little rotary volume control which is marked in the direction of volume up and volume down. We've got a mute button which gives us the ability to mute the microphone, and then we've got an on button. We've also got here a little USB-C charging jack, and then le pièce de résistance, a pull-out microphone. One thing to note actually, the fork that holds the headphones to the headphone band is metal and not plastic. That said, the pivot point connectors that connect the headphones to the metalwork are plastic. But all in all, a pretty good build. Having plugged the USB dongle into the computer, immediately the headphones are connected and you're going to get sound out of them, assuming you select the correct audio source. Let's see how they sound with some good quality audio files. Wow, I must say, that is actually really quite pleasant to listen to. They've got a lovely bass response. They've got a very good, crystal clear top range to them. I'm actually quite impressed with those. Very pleasant indeed for music. Now let's see how they perform on Skype calls and on perhaps, let's say, PS4 gaming. So I just got these headphones, took the USB dongle and stuffed it into the USB socket on the computer. And can you believe it? I'm having a chat on Skype with friends. Wireless headphones. Happy days. Genuine moment. After about 3 minutes of wearing them, they don't have much breathability. There's no airflow inside the headphones, which is great because they're blocking out all of the outside noise, which there isn't any here. The trouble is they're a bit sticky now and they're starting to get a bit sweaty and a bit warm. So this is it. I've got to give an honest review. This right here, this is a Rode NT1 studio quality microphone. My mates have just been not complaining, but they've noted the fact that the audio sounds, how does the audio sound? The audio sounds a bit thicker coming through the microphone from these headphones, whereas perhaps the Rode NT1 has got a little bit more dynamic range. But, you know, just saying, yeah, just trying to be honest and, you know, review these things properly. Setting up these headphones is dead simple. You literally just pop that into your USB port on your PlayStation 4. And the next thing to do is press and hold the power button until the red light comes on. And there we go, headphones ready. Pull out the microphone. And there we have it, ready to talk and listen. So we're having a private match of golf between the two of us, just Lee and myself, and I'm completely hands-free, which is absolutely fantastic. Let's get into this game, Lee. Look at this, hands-free controller, hands-free headset, hands-free microphone. Woohoo! I can run around the room and do all kinds of stuff. Absolutely fantastic. Say hello to the people.
Hello to people.
Off he goes. Lovely, lovely. You get the point, guys. That headset works a treat. It plugged into the PS4 dead easy. And here we are having a good bit of gaming together. So this particular model of headphones are the EKSA E910 5.8GHz wireless gaming and music headset. They sell in America for $89.99. So in the UK, in the region of about £60 or £70. So overall, I'm quite impressed with these, and I'm actually quite happy to have them. For the price, yeah, there are other options in the market, but yeah, I got these for free. I'm pretty happy with them. Thank you very much, EKSA, for sending these in for review. As always, take care, guys and girls. Have a fabulous, fabulous week and weekend, and we'll see you again in the not too distant future. Cheers and beers, people. Thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye for now.